Welcome to the show today. JB here, excited you're with me, and because of you, the wonderful subscribers here, I have the Lamy Safari Stylus S Stylus that we're going to open up today, but we're going to do a little bit of a hack because it's been suggested so many times in the comments that I give this a shot with the reMarkable, but not only give it a shot, but try out something different. It's a little bit of a hack, so we're going to do that. As you know, if you watched my video a couple weeks ago on this Stadler, I don't even know how to say it, Stadler pencil, I've been using this with a graphite tip on it. I actually like it a lot. It writes really smooth. I like the pencil feel. So if you're into pencils, this is a really good device. It's been great for writing. Obviously, as we open this up, I actually had the marker signature at one time, which is actually a little bit heavier pen, but for some reason it disappeared. I have no idea. It wasn't meant to be, so it's no longer around. So now I have the regular reMarkable, very light pencil, but it has more of a writing sound to it, and that comes from the nib, right? And we're going to talk about that. These nibs are what's so critical when it comes to this. So as we look at alternatives here, we have the Lamy now, and a lot of people love this device. So when I open the Lamy up, it comes with its nib changer, okay, where you change the nibs out. Let's see what else is in here. And then we've got the Lamy, I think. It's got a cool little box. It's got like edges on it and stuff. You can kind of see that. So when we get this open, we have the Lamy, and there's some paperwork and stuff. But when it comes to this, you can see between the three of these, okay, that they're all kind of similar. And if I had the reMarkable pen, which I had, which is actually called the marker, signature marker, that's the box for it, it would fit about this size and just be heavier. So you have like what's like a pencil here, you have the reMarkable, and then you have the Lamy. Okay, so let's go ahead and give them a try. So the Lamy, it's got the same feeling. It's got that same, these two are almost exactly the same, okay, as I go. But I do like the Lamy, if you like that feel, a little bit better. Ooh, that was different. Okay, let's erase all this. And I had a fountain Lamy pen like this, so it actually fits that pretty good. Only issue, it doesn't fit in my little carrier here, my little case. But the Lamy itself's got kind of that graphite tip feel, the same as this pencil does here, where the reMarkable has a little bit more of a scratchy writing sound and feel to it. So what the hack has been suggested is that you use this little tool that all these things come with, and you take this nib out, if you've ever done this before, pull that nib out, okay, so that one's out, and then you bring in a nib from the reMarkable, okay, so this is a reMarkable nib. I'm going to put this in there. Kind of hard to do this while you're filming. Okay, so now we have a reMarkable nib in. Let's see the feel. And there we go. Okay, now we have that soft reMarkable feel with the Lamy pen. So I like that hack. You guys did good. Let me see if I can do it with a pencil too. I think I can do the same thing. I do like the graphite though. I do like the feel of this. It's a little bit different. Yeah, I can do the same. I don't know if I can. I'm sure I can do the same thing. Yeah, I can change this one out too, but I'm going to leave that because I actually like the feel of that. It's a little bit different. But that actually worked out pretty good. That worked out pretty good. So the idea then in today's video is to, if you order the Lamy, and I'll put the link down below, it is a good replacement if you like a thicker pen, okay? You like a thicker pen. You can see that the reMarkable is actually very thin, and it's very similar to the pencil. But I actually like the pencil. So if you like the pencil, and I'll put a link to this Stadler pencil down below, and you can actually, try that out as a pencil. And then the regular marker and the pen are, they're decent. The pen for the reMarkable is good too. Like I said, I lost that. But then you got the Lamy, which comes in with a real nice feel. And if you have the graphite tip, that's fine. It works. But to switch to the reMarkable tip, you get that reMarkable soft feel that so many people are looking for. So it's really good. I like it. That hack, thanks to you, again, by you putting the idea in the comments. It was awesome. And as always, you know, I'm telling you, we have the smartest subscribers on YouTube just by looking at the comments of the videos that we have. So this is a great hack for those of you that are looking for an alternative to the reMarkable Stylus. You still get the nice smooth feel, but you're getting a real nice pen that kind of goes with it. And like I said, I have a fountain pen that's very similar, so I like the Lamy. My only issue is it doesn't fit in the case, but I get a nice clip and I can figure that. That's a first world problem. I'll figure that out. So now I got to organize all these nibs and all these styluses. I will tell you, the and I've been saying this wrong the whole time, the Quaderno, okay, which I've been utilizing, actually has I think, a better stylus. It's actually the old Sony. It's now branded Fujitsu. It has 2 buttons on it. One allows you to erase, one allows you to highlight, which I prefer. So far, this is my favorite stylus, but I'll put it up there with the Lamy, and I'll be using the Lamy more on the reMarkable, and especially when I get my reMarkable 2, when we get the thing, right? So awesome. So what do I like? Okay, the reMarkable is decent. I'll put it up there. I do like the pencil a lot. I actually like the graphite feel. I don't think I need to change that out. I would probably put the Lamy up for the #1 accessory right now for the reMarkable. And I do that too also by the comments that we've been getting. We've been getting so many comments of everybody telling me to do that. And yes, it's good. But use the Lamy, change it out, put the reMarkable nib in. You got a heck of a stylus there. And my overall favorite goes to the Quaderno stylus, which actually is electronic and gives you a little bit of help. But this will not work on the reMarkable, just FYI. That will not work. It's probably my favorite e-ink stylus is what I'm saying. But if I was with the reMarkable and you're looking for one, the pencil's great if you like thin, right? Thin style. And if you like something a little bit thicker and you like that fountain pen kind of feel, then I would go with the Lamy. If you like a pen feel, I don't have it with me, the reMarkable pen, or the reMarkable marker they call it, actually works pretty good. I'll tell you, I'll put it up there as a pretty good device. But Lamy, pencil, reMarkable. That's the order. All right, as always, hey, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We're growing this channel on our way to 10,000 right now, having some fun, doing some reviews and fun stuff. Would love to have you. I've got some new equipment coming in. We're trying hard to make this channel entertaining. And then, of course, hit that alert bell, because if you don't get any other videos. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about this planner. This is called the Legend Planner. And the Legend Planner, I haven't even opened yet, is the #1 selling planner on Amazon. And so it's stay focused, feel happier, build positive goals. We're going to look at this. It's a weekly planner. We're going to look at this in the next video, okay? So just to give you a little preface. I always try to give you a little preface. I told you I was going to do the stylus stuff. Next one's going to be the best-selling Amazon planner. What is this thing about? All right, so let's go have a great day. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure you comment. What is your favorite stylus? What is your favorite stylus replacement? And the dialogue's great, because that's what helps other people, and that's what this channel's about. So as always, I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one. Let's go have a great day. And hey, as always, have some fun, right? It's all about the energy. All right, go have a great one.